Hey everyone, Sean Mancini here. Today I'm going to show you a script that I've been working on. Oftentimes, if you have ever been in server deployment or kind of like a system staging uh, role, you know that there are a couple mundane tasks. For instance, in this scenario, we're going to talk about deploying a web server. When you deploy a web server, you have to manually, in a Linux environment that is, you have to install Apache, then you have to install like your baseline security, like an antivirus, rootkit, an anti-rootkit, a firewall, PHP, and all these things. So I just wanted to show you a quick script that I actually wrote. As I call it, like a staging script. This will go ahead and install Apache, PHP, install an FTP server, go ahead and install fail to ban to prevent SSH brute force attacks. I also call it the 5-minute web server install. I'd like to show you what it does. So just running my app here. I just call it web server go. Okay. You want to run it with sudo so you get admin privileges. Okay, so right now it's just going to update the OS because that's always the first step in security. We're now installing PHP. Oh, sorry, Apache. Okay. Okay, now we're installing RK Hunter or Rootkit Hunter. Gone ahead and now installing fail to ban. Okay. They'll ask. This is for PHP. I already have PHP installed, so it's asking. I guess it wants to remove some packages. I'm going to say no. Okay. It's taking me to the SSH config page, where we'll want to make a couple of tweaks. So by default, this is commented out. So we want password authentication, and we only want to allow protocol SSH2. And if you want to change the port, you just uncomment this and change the port. Okay. So we don't want to make any further changes, so just exit. Okay. Now it's going to take us to our next step. Okay, next step is it's going to install our FTP server, VSFTPD, and now we can go ahead and make some changes here. Okay. Okay, so yes, we want to allow local users to log in. Yes, we want to now allow write. Okay. Okay. Make our changes there, and now the APF for advanced policy firewall has been extracted. Okay. And let's see if all went well. So the first thing we want to do is go ahead and check our web browser. Let's point it to localhost. We should see a web server here. Yep. Perfect. Okay, let's see if FTP went installed correctly. FTP, open. Oh, perfect. So the FTP server is up. And there we have it. So pretty much this is just the baseline. Again, there's a lot of security work that you have to do. Obviously you'll have to tweak your FTP settings for best security. If you're using anything else other than PHP, you'll have to install the corresponding packages. But my main goal with this was to get rid of the mundane tasks where I can just run a script for 4 or 5 different servers, hit enter and leave, come back 5 minutes later, I got 5 web servers all ready to go. It's also good for your VPS. If you're deploying multiple virtual private servers or just one, you just download this script, which I'll make available for everybody to use, and you already have about 80% of your work done for you. So I hope that you found this video informative, and I hope you like my script. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Talk to you later, everyone. Thank you. Bye.